Happy New Year to everyone. With the European elections in June 2024 will be a decisive year. Your vote matters. It will set the direction of our course and decide on the Europe you want to see. In the past years, we have come a long way. We have been active and decisive where it matters. Today, the European Union is stronger and more united than ever before. But the world is changing. We must keep striving to make our Europe fairer and safer. That was Maria's appeal to me in Lisbon when speaking about her grandchildren. A more equal Europe where everyone can reach their full potential, regardless of who they are or where they come from. A prosperous Europe that, just as I discussed with Paolo, a local entrepreneur in Lecce, can harness the opportunities of digitalization and going green, that can keep people on board. A Europe that listens, that understands, and that delivers. A Europe that is ready to embrace neighbors within the European family. That is what I promised Nadia, a young student in Lviv. But for that, Europe needs you to take part, to voice what it is that you want changed. This will be Europe's year. This must be your moment.